Pizza Margherita. Taking the #1 spot is the legendary Pizza Margherita, the pizza that inspired countless varieties around the world. It was created in Naples in 1889 for Queen Margherita, using tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil leaves, and olive oil to represent the colors of the Italian flag. Authentic Neapolitan pizza is baked in a wood-fired oven at extremely high temperatures, creating a soft crust with lightly charred edges. After Italian immigrants brought pizza to America, it evolved into famous styles like New York, Chicago deep dish, and Detroit pizza. Today, Americans eat billions of pizzas every year, making it one of the country's favorite foods. Even with endless toppings and modern variations, the original margherita is still considered the gold standard of authentic Italian pizza because of its fresh ingredients, simple recipe, and unforgettable flavor. Spaghetti and meatballs. When most Americans think of Italian food, spaghetti and meatballs is usually one of the first dishes that comes to mind. Surprisingly, this famous meal is actually more Italian-American than traditional Italian. It was created in the late 1800s when Italian immigrants settled in the United States. Since meat was much more affordable in America, families began making larger meatballs using beef, pork, breadcrumbs, eggs, garlic, parsley, and Parmesan cheese, serving them over spaghetti with rich tomato sauce. The dish quickly became a filling and affordable meal that gained popularity across the country. Today, many versions include spicy meatballs, turkey meatballs, or even plant-based alternatives. Slowly cooked tomato sauce, fresh basil, and Parmesan cheese give every bite its rich and comforting flavor. Although it isn't considered a traditional Italian dish, spaghetti and meatballs has become one of America's most beloved comfort foods. Tiramisu. Few desserts are as elegant and irresistible as tiramisu. Its name means pick-me-up, thanks to its delicious combination of coffee and cocoa. The modern version originated in northern Italy during the 1960s. It is made by layering espresso-soaked ladyfinger biscuits with a creamy mixture of mascarpone cheese, eggs, and sugar before finishing it with cocoa powder. Americans love tiramisu because it offers the perfect balance of sweetness and rich coffee flavor without feeling too heavy. Today, many versions include chocolate chips, strawberries, pistachios, hazelnuts, or flavored liqueurs. Served in restaurants around the world, tiramisu remains one of Italy's most iconic desserts. Its creamy texture and bold coffee flavor make it a favorite for millions of dessert lovers. Pasta carbonara. Pasta carbonara is one of Rome's greatest culinary masterpieces. Unlike many creamy pasta dishes, authentic carbonara contains no cream. Instead, it uses eggs, pecorino romano cheese, black pepper, and crispy guanciale to create its naturally creamy sauce. As the hot pasta is mixed with these ingredients, the eggs, gently cooked to form a smooth coating around every strand. Carbonara became popular after World War II and is now one of the most ordered pasta dishes in America. Many restaurants replace guanciale with bacon and often add cream, but traditional Italian chefs believe simplicity creates the best flavor. With just a few high-quality ingredients, carbonara delivers a rich, creamy, and unforgettable taste that has made it famous around the world. Bruschetta may look like a simple slice of toasted bread, but it represents one of the oldest traditions in Italian cuisine. Its origins date back more than 2,000 years to ancient Rome, where olive farmers toasted rustic bread, rubbed it with fresh garlic, and drizzled it with extra virgin olive oil to taste the season's harvest. Over time, juicy tomatoes, fresh basil, sea salt, black pepper, and sometimes mozzarella cheese were added, creating the famous bruschetta we know today. The word bruschetta comes from the Italian verb bruscare, meaning to roast over coals. In the United States, bruschetta has become one of the most popular Italian appetizers because it's fresh, colorful, and full of Mediterranean flavors. Many American chefs have created their own versions with toppings like avocado, grilled chicken, mushrooms, roasted peppers, or creamy burrata cheese. Despite these creative twists, the traditional recipe remains a symbol of authentic Italian cooking, proving that a few fresh ingredients can create an unforgettable dish. Risotto is one of Italy's most luxurious comfort foods. Famous for its creamy texture despite containing no cream in the traditional recipe, it originated in northern Italy, especially around Milan, where arborio rice has been cultivated for centuries. Unlike ordinary rice dishes, risotto is slowly cooked by adding warm broth one ladle at a time while stirring continuously, allowing the rice to release its natural starches. One of the most famous versions is risotto alla Milanese, flavored with saffron, once considered more valuable than gold. Today, popular variations include mushroom, seafood, truffle, asparagus, and Parmesan risotto. Across the United States, risotto has become a signature dish in fine dining restaurants because of its elegant appearance and rich flavor. Although it looks simple, chefs consider it one of the most challenging Italian dishes to prepare perfectly, making every creamy spoonful feel like a true culinary masterpiece. Lasagna is one of the world's greatest comfort foods and one of Italy's oldest pasta dishes. The modern version comes from Bologna, where layers of fresh pasta are combined with slow-cooked bolognese sauce, creamy bechamel, mozzarella, parmesan, and ricotta before being baked until golden and bubbling. The secret to authentic lasagna is patience, as families often spend hours preparing the sauces before assembling the dish. When Italian immigrants arrived in America, lasagna quickly became one of the country's favorite Italian meals. Today, American versions often include extra mozzarella, Italian sausage, spinach, mushrooms, or chicken, making it even richer and more satisfying. Every slice delivers tender pasta, flavorful sauce, and melted cheese, creating a comforting meal that has become a symbol of family gatherings and home-cooked traditions. Fettuccine Alfredo. Few Italian dishes are as famous in America as fettuccine Alfredo, although the original Italian recipe is surprisingly simple. It was first created in Rome by Alfredo di Lelio, using fresh fettuccine, butter, and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese to prepare a nourishing meal for his wife. The dish became internationally famous after Hollywood actors Mary Pickford and Douglas Fairbanks enjoyed it during their honeymoon and introduced it to the United States. American chefs later created richer versions by adding heavy cream, garlic, grilled chicken, shrimp, broccoli, or mushrooms. Today, Alfredo is one of the best-selling pasta dishes across America because of its creamy texture and comforting flavor. Whether served with seafood, chicken, or enjoyed in its original form, fettuccine Alfredo remains a timeless favorite that perfectly combines simplicity with rich, satisfying taste.